everybody, how are we all? Paul79 here, I hope you're safe and well. Well, it's just after 4 o'clock and I've clocked off, and I just wanted to show you what I've done today on my car SOS project. So this will be part 2 of the mini-series. So yeah, I've had a good day on it today. I did some bits yesterday afternoon after I left you last, and yeah, let's go through it. So, looking a little different. So let's start from here. We always start from here. So, vents removed. They weren't stuck in very well, but to be fair, because they weren't stuck in very well, it was a lot easier to to get them out. But the idea is we're going to do them properly, but also before we're going to black out the grey inside of the real Boxster arches here, because it doesn't look nice looking through the grille. So that's done. Side skirts all removed here. Taking these vents out, well, they almost fell out, to be honest with you. I still haven't decided whether I'm going to try and save the ones that I've got, or we might have to get new ones. Hey ho, we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. The arch liner that was in is out. Indicators are out. I couldn't get the headlights out because, typical, you need a special key, and I've given the key to my paint shop, and because they're fixing my car, so they might need to take my headlight out, so I've left them in for now. These grills basically came out very easily. Number plate plinth taken off. I blacked out all the chips that were on the black splitter just with permanent marker, because they were annoying me when I looked at the car. DRLs have come out. They were very wobbly. I think I'm going to need to, when I put them back, do it in the way that I do it with the DRL frame. But uncovered a lovely bodge job here. Look at this. So this is where the grille was, but technically this lip should all be filed down, so it's flush like that one. So I wondered why they'd put that rubber trim on, but yeah, so, you know, shortcut bodge job there that we need to have a think about what to do. I mean, I can file it back, but I don't know how good it will look. Anyway, so that's something to think about. Around the other side, as before, side indicator gone, shark vent gone. The side skirt here I've taken off, and oh my word, it amazes me sometimes what people do. But basically, yeah, they put some sort of glue on, and when I've pulled it off, it's still flipping wet. God knows, I'm sure these skirts have been on for more than 6 months, but yeah, this glue, it's weird. It's almost like putty. It's like a plumber's mate, you know, it never goes hard. Very strange. I should have cleaned that up, sorry. That vent's out as well, as you can see. That's lovely and grey there. We don't want that all showing through, so I'll be sorting that out. Okay, I've had the boot lid off. I've put it back because we don't want water coming in. And what have I done? Well, first of all, if we go this side, it's better. Change the bolts here for black ones, and also they sit a lot flusher here because you don't want them catching on this bit. What have I done here? So big change already. The lip that was coming out here on this bit that supports the rear window, I've trimmed it all off, so it looks a lot neater, and it means you can get in the boot a lot easier. I've also trimmed all along here. I've trimmed here, just neatening it up. I've scratched all the dodgy powder coating off here, and what I plan to do is this will just be blacked out. So all of this, where these screws are, this will be blacked out. I'll black it out along there. All of this I'll paint so it doesn't look quite so horrible. But yeah, so I've done all that, taken the lights out. I've also filed back here to make that sort of neat. I'll probably black that out as well, because that's what I've done just with a paintbrush. But yeah, I've neatened all of that up there, so that's nice. I tried to get the rear window out, but you know, all I had was a scalpel. So I'm going to get my mate John, hello John, to come round and actually cut that out, because I really need that removed, because it just really does get in the way. And then on the inside, door trims are off. The reason why they are off is because I need to realign these windows, and it takes a long time to actually get that done, so I just thought I'd take them off anyway. Seats are all out because they get in the way when I'm in there. I've taken the roll cage out because again that gets in the way. I've given it all a lovely hoover, cleaned up all the expanding foam that had expanded a bit too much. But yeah, giving it a hoover, so we've got a nice sort of base to work on. Everything is lovely and sort of clean and simple here. There were some horrible long screws sticking out there, so I've cut them back. I've left them in there actually. I might trim them back, to be fair. I had the windows out, cleaned that all up. This one was actually bonded in, because as what happens very frequently on these windows is these little T-clips, and I've talked about this before, they snap. So the window on this side was glued in. I actually in the end had to heat up the glue and sort of prise it out. But that window on that side, that was all fine, and that was put in as sort of planned. The holes where these window bolts came through were tiny. They were like literally 5mm wide, so I've widened them out a bit because it just makes fitting the window easier. I've actually, because you know I needed to put the windows back because otherwise I let some water in, I've actually used one of my windows. So this is one of my windows that's meant to go on my car. The reason being is the T-piece is intact. So that's all that there, and I think that's about it. I'm quite knackered, but you know, things are moving. What I'm going to do next is, next Friday we're going to get the rear window out, and what that means then is I can start putting some struts between the bit where the bottom of the window glues to and there, and then that partial shelf can be bolted to it, and then we can start doing some interior stuff. But yeah, very pleased how it's turned out so far. Everything's going good. Need to sort those windows out, I really do. But yeah, I think for now that is enough. So, bit of a long scene, but I will see you on the next part. See you later guys, bye.